At the peak of the radiant sun, summer arrives triumphantly, begun. A special time to celebrate, full of sensations and feelings to investigate. Let us value each season, for in each, there's inspiration. In particular, during summer's reign, we discover its unique beauty, not in vain. Positive emotions accompany us. Happiness, hope, friendship, they discuss. Cultivating these feelings is crucial for a fulfilling and satisfying life, as a rule. In the blue sky and green sea, nature displays its splendid glee. Let us connect with gratitude, appreciating its beauty in every latitude, preserving this valuable treasure for future generations, a legacy to measure. Let us care for nature with love and devotion, for it is in this harmony that we find true connection. In summer, let our hearts unite with nature's splendor, shining bright. Let us live each moment with intensity, exploring joy and happiness relentlessly. May summer be the invitation to awaken our most restless aspiration. Positive emotions, nature in symphony. A toast to a life full of harmony. Let us experience each season with gratitude and enthusiasm, a reason. Especially in summer's embrace, let us consciously find beauty and joy in this space. So, let us celebrate summer with vigor, valuing positive emotions and nature's grandeur. Let us embrace each moment, without hesitation, and flourish in life, in complete connection. May summer be our guide for a journey of light and joy, side by side. Let us awaken our senses, with renewed emotions, and enjoy a life filled with harmony and blissful notions. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and subscribing to our channel for more content like this. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. And if you know someone who could benefit from the insights we've shared, please share this video with them. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel.